Good morning everybody. Due to pandemic we were not making eggs and not having chicken, but today since things seem to be okay, now everybody is having eggs. So let me begin with the eggs for breakfast. So today I will be making for breakfast egg bhurji roll in wheat flour roti. For the egg bhurji I am taking 2 eggs, a few green chilies, palak leaves, these 2 are from my kitchen garden, tomatoes from my kitchen garden, and 3 onions. I will not add too many things because it will become very heavy early morning. Instead of that, in case you feel like, you can add mushrooms, you can add capsicums, you can add other veggies also. So let us begin with the method. Chop the onions and the tomatoes. I have removed the skin before chopping them into small pieces. It is always better to remove the skin because the skin comes in your mouth and it is better for digestion. Then chop the palak leaves and green chilies into small pieces, and I have broken 2 eggs. I will be adding salt, haldi, jeera, dhania and red chili powder and beating this up nicely. To the eggs I have added jeera, dhania powder, saunt powder, that is ginger powder, salt, red chili powder and haldi. All these as per taste. It depends on how many eggs you are taking. I have taken little of everything. And now I am going to beat these eggs nicely with a beater. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, that is cow's ghee, to it. When it melts, add the onions and the tomatoes. I have added the onions and the tomatoes and let them roast until they turn little brown and the tomatoes become little soft. It will take at least 5 minutes because I always keep it on medium flame. Keep on mixing it. Now I will add the palak and the green chilies. Mix it for 2 minutes. Let everything blend with each other and become little soft also. Then I will add the egg. Now I am adding the egg. I have added all the masalas to it, all the spices, that is salt, pepper, red chili powder, dhania powder, jeera powder, saunt powder and little bit of garam masala also I have added. Now mix it thoroughly. Keep on mixing it because we are going to make bhurji out of it now. So it has to be very nicely done into small bits. Keep the flame slow to medium. To this I will add 1 cup of milk. That gives it a nice texture and taste. And then again mix it and let the milk get absorbed with the egg and let it dry completely. Another 2 minutes and it is ready. Then we will make the dough for roti. Garnish this with either kasuri methi or you can add chopped coriander leaves. See, the milk is literally dried up. It is absorbed by the egg completely. This gives it a nice soft texture and it enhances the taste of your egg. The bhurji is done. Now I will put off the gas and garnish with the dhania leaves, coriander leaves. I have washed and chopped the leaves, so I am going to garnish it with that and put off the gas. Now let us make the roti. Egg bhurji is ready. Now we will make the roti. We have to make a egg roll out of it. Now to make roti, take atta 2 cups. Depends how many rotis you want to make. Take 2 cups of atta. To this I am going to add little bit of 1 tablespoon of oil, cooking oil. Then I am going to add salt, haldi, dhania and jeera as per taste. And then knead it with water, little slightly lukewarm water, into a nice soft dough. Added salt, half a teaspoon of dhania powder, jeera powder, and little bit of jeera akha, and little bit of haldi to give it a nice color, and 1 tablespoon of oil, and then little lukewarm water. And I'm going to knead it into a dough. Keep it covered for 10 minutes, then roll out rotis. I have kneaded very soft dough. It is nice. See? Now I've kept it for 10 minutes covered with a damp cloth, and then I will start rolling out the rotis. Put on the gas and keep a tawa on it. And I usually don't use non-stick because non-stick is not good. It is up to you, whichever tawa you use in the house to make rotis. And roll out a big roti because we have to stuff it with the egg bhurji, and this much thin. One side is done, so turn it over. When you see these bubbles, turn it over, that means that side is done. Now remove it and make the other one. Depends how many members are there in the house to eat breakfast. Accordingly you make your rotis and put them in the roti box. Let us make the roti roll with egg bhurji. Now first take one roti and make a slit here on one side. I have made a slit. Now I will apply butter to this roti. I am applying unsalted Amul butter. You can use President butter or any other. I am using unsalted because there is already salt in the roti as well as in the bhurji, so I don't want it to become very salty. Now I will spread little bit of cheese, little bit of ketchup, little bit of bhurji, and then roll it up. I have used this cheese spread which is with chutney. It is very tasty. Nowadays you get this Amul brand. And then I have used chili garlic sauce, which is Maggi brand, and I have spread it on the roti, and I have added egg bhurji. Now I will be rolling it. See, I had cut this side, so roll it up from here like this, roll it around, roll it till the end. Now I will heat it up on the tawa. Both sides I'll make it little crispy, and then I will serve it. Place it on the tawa, let it become crispy. Turn it over, let this side also be done. I'll show you once again how to roll it. First you slit it from the center till here, one side only. I have slit this. Then you add whatever you want to, vegetables, salads, ande ki bhurji, whatever, and then roll it like this way, hold it like this, and then like this, pack it up, and then heat it on a tawa, make it crisp, and then serve. My egg bhurji roti roll is ready to serve. This is my today's breakfast series. Very yummy, delicious, tasty and healthy breakfast with egg bhurji, and it has little palak also, onion, tomato, so there is fiber, as well as gehu ke aate ki roti. Very tasty, very delicious. Enjoy your breakfast and let me know in my comments how it is. Do like, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Enjoy your breakfast, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy, eat right, have a good breakfast every day because that is the most important meal of the day. Thank you so much. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen signing out. Do subscribe to my channel because only then I will be motivated to share more videos with you all.